Habits Level 2, Lesson number 15. On your practice chart this week, you're going to sing your interval songs every day. We're covering Middle C, Busy Bee, Cuckoo Bird. Play and sing these songs every day. You're also going to be doing flashcards and staff book, writing in your daily times on your chart, adding more cards and adding more drills when you reach those minimum times. You'll be going on to Unit 4 in 4-star, so do one sight reading exercise and clapping exercise every day. If you want to send in a test to make sure that you're doing it right, I would love to see your video on that and hear how you're doing. We're going to be doing pieces out of L&M 1A, starting with page 77, which we'll do together online today. And then you'll be going on and learning pages 78, 79. That's one piece. That's our longest piece out of the whole book. It's the final piece. It's your last piece in this book. And there's a certificate after this piece. I want to make sure that you fill in with the date when you've completed all 5 days of practice. Fill that in and keep that certificate to show that you've made it through an entire book. That's a huge accomplishment. So make sure to practice the Echo Song, pages 78 and 79, 5 times every day, marking it with X's or stars. That's a long piece. You can break it up and just do 1 or 2 lines for the first day and add more when you're ready. Or take 2 weeks on it. It's a long piece and it moves around a little bit too, so it is a really challenging piece for our final piece, but you can do it. You'll do a great job on it. So let's go through page 77. We're going to do some ear work. First, with our pattern detective, I'm going to either play this top line or the bottom line, and you're going to circle which one I play. So kind of look them over and see what's different. This one is all seconds going up. This one's a third going up and then a third coming down. Think in your ear what that's going to sound like. Can you hear it? Try and sing it. Have some thought of what it's going to sound like. That will help you choose the right one when I play it. So turn around so you don't see me. Get out your book. Be looking at number 1. Here we go. Number 1. Ready, go. Again. That was the top pattern. 1, 2, 3, all steps. Let's look at number 2. Here we go. Second time. All right, that was the bottom line. 1, 2, 1. Can you try and sing this top line? How would this have sounded? Let's try it. Here's our 1, ready? 1, 1, 3. That skip is going to sound like cuckoo bird. Cuckoo bird. All right, look at number 3. Look at the difference. Try and hear it in your head. Okay, listen carefully for number 3. Here we go. Again. Okay, that was the bottom line. It went 3, 1, 3, the skip up and the skip, the skip down and the skip back up. What would this line have sounded like? Let's try and sing it. Here's our 3. 3, ready, go. 3, 2, 1. When you can sing something just by looking at it without hearing it first, that's called sight singing. And if you can sight sing, you can sight read. So you're doing a great job if you can be sight singing those examples. Not many people can do that. So let's go on to the question answer. I'm going to play a tune using C, D, and E. And it's going to sound like a question, meaning it's going to sound unfinished, like it should have some more notes to finish it. So I'll play that question, and then I want you to give me an answer. And the way it will sound like an answer where the notes are finished is you need to end back up on C. So you can do any notes here. As long as you end back up on C, it will sound like an answer. So here we go. Get to your keyboard. I'll play my question, and then I want you to fill in an answer. Here we go. We're going to do 2 of these. Now do an answer. Did you land on C? Did you just do C like that? Because that's kind of boring if you did that. So play around with C, D, and E. Let's do one more. Here we go. Answer. You can just imitate what I did and go, or anything as long as you landed on C. So that's kind of fun, and now that's really getting you to where you can write your own compositions. All right, so turn around or turn off the computer right now and go practice. If you've finished your 5 days of practice, let's go on and hear Echo Song. Try and play this one together. Or if you're a practice partner, here's some help that you can do with your student in teaching them Echo Song. Echo Song, right hand is going to start with finger 3 on G, left hand finger 1 on G. And this is with 3 beats in each measure, again, so be careful that you're not adding that extra 4th beat that we're so used to. This also has a lot of dynamics. I will play it with the dynamics, but again, if the notes and rhythm are enough, just stick with that. If you can be reading these and want to add in the dynamics, that is excellent. That goes above and beyond at this point. So here we go. Right hand 3 on G, left hand 1 on G. 1, 2, go. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. That left hand moves down to that low G at the end. That's really quite tricky. All right, let's do it with the duet. Same speed. 1, 2, go. Well, if you've practiced that for 5 days already and you're able to play with me, that's such a huge accomplishment. Great job for finishing this book. You have 1 lesson left in Practical Habits 2. That's lesson number 16, and I will see you there.